Alright, Jiang, you get started, okay? Hello, hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, share your screen, please.
Oh, wait, let me turn on.
Mike, you get started on the solo learn, okay?
Alright.
You get started for solo learn, I'll come to you later, okay? We take turns.
Okay.
Jiang, do you know what they want you to do?
I'm still understanding.
Hmm?
I'm still reading it. I don't
Oh.
understand, so
You don't, or you yes? Yes or no?
no.
No, you still don't.
Oh yeah, now I get it.
Okay. Well, look like you will take longer time for you. I'll come back, okay?
Yeah.
I'll come back. Next one, Harrison. Harrison, your turn.
Okay. Well, I just finished this one.
Okay. Next one. Okay. This one you can directly return false. Right here, return true. This
yeah.
R is not needed. Okay, R is not needed.
Okay.
Okay, next one, let me have Tiger, your turn. Show me where you are in the solo then.
Do I just share screen?
Share screen, yes. Make sure you understand it, okay? Any questions so far?
Not right now. I'm just like reading through it.
You cannot run it. You can use an online runner to run it, or you use a project to run it if you like.
No, I just keep on misclicking it. I don't like.
Yeah, I know, but when they want you to go into the pro mode, that you need to pay. We don't want to pay the premium for it.
Mm-hmm.
Just want you to go through the language once. Okay, good job. Continue, okay? Let me go back to Jiang. Jiang, your turn. Hello?
Oh wait.
You have problem. Are you still in the same problem or no?
Oh, it's a different one.
Hmm. Okay, let's come back to this data. Go back to your previous problem, the fourth problem. Let me see how you did it. Okay, one moment. This one. This one, you have a not equals 4, you break it, you count for the n, that actually okay. You assign that up to n. Okay, so far this algorithm pretty much okay, but here this one, for each loop is not really efficient. Okay, this one for each loop is not really efficient. So what you want to do is while.
Hello?
Yeah,
Are you there?
yeah, I'm here. Hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Your window is very small, so I barely can see. But this is okay now. Just doing this.
Oh, while it's faster than 4?
Mhm. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Now this one is problem. The one that you work on. The one that you work on is also called post-for. So what you want to do is post-for. Post-for, you do follow that. This one you do this. That actually is not a good way to calculate it. You do this. You want to find the 4, the location of the 4, and then you need to know about how long this one is, right?
Yeah.
So here you actually n equals nums.
Oh,
That's okay. This one
wait,
okay.
that's the problem.
So here, let's see. I'm sorry. Integer n equals nums dot length minus 1. Okay, and then while okay, n greater equal 0 and nums n okay now equals 4. So you stop at the n equals 4. N decrease. So you will get that. So this one you get the n location. N location is right here. Your index is right stop at the location n. Okay. Your location n means this portion has n plus 1 element. So this portion is your total length big N minus N plus 1 numbers. So that is not N, that should be your nums balance minus N plus 1. And then you actually starting from N plus 1 to the end. That's it. Okay, so here you actually I should be this minus 10 minus 1 will be equal to nums I. Should be that something like that based on the way you are doing.
Okay.
Your problem is you do not calculate the index correctly.
Yeah.
As one thing. Second, this loop need to learn it. Backward checking, frontward checking using while loop. You need to learn it. Using for loop and break is not efficient. Right?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'll come back. Okay. Next one, I will come back. This one, Harrison. Harrison, your turn.
Okay. I did this one, and that's like all the warm up too.
Okay, then you check Java. Let's see, click Java. So you have the warm up to now. Next one, you can go either string two or logic two, either one. Check,
Okay.
try one of them. You use if for what? There's no if needed.
So like I go straight to return.
No. What do they want?
To check if there's like double the characters in the first one, second one.
Are you really reading the problem or no?
Yeah, like one letter here, and there's two T's in this one. One
Yeah.
H, two H.
And then why you need to have an if?
To check if there's like the
There's
two
no
ones.
checking needed. You duplicate the T, you don't need to check anything. Why you need to use the if to check anything?
Oh,
What are you reading?
I thought it was like return true.
Who say that?
I read the problem wrong.
So you are not reading the problem. That's you're not reading wrong. You did not look at the example. They give you the example THE need to generate TTHHEE. You know why you are wrong?
No.
You sum up two characters together before you convert it to R. So this is a problem. You need to do it like,
In two separate lines.
oh,
Okay.
you need to convert the first one to the string first and then plus the next one.
Okay.
You directly press the two of them. They will sum up the two characters together to form a new character. then that's
Okay.
wrong. That's not what you wanted. Read the problem carefully. You know, you pay no attention to the problem. That's the problem. Okay?
Okay.
I already give you the hint. You still insist that you are redoing the way that you need to do. That's actually totally wrong. You are not reading the problem. Next one, Tiger, your turn. You need to make sure you understand everything, okay? There's no need to rush. You need to make sure you understand it.
Yeah, I got it.
Otherwise, when we go to the coding bed, you would actually still struggle with the syntax. That's not what we want, okay?
Okay.
Right here, we don't want to rush you.
Hmm.
You rush a little bit because your hit point dropped down to 2 already. Your heart now is 2. It means that you make a few mistake.
No, it's just that like my Mac has autocorrect and like they like autocorrected my like the variables into different like things.
Okay,
So I like got marked off because of it.
okay. I accept your explanation, but try not to make mistake because that means you just rush. Okay,
Okay.
if you rush, don't rush yourself.
Hmm.
At this moment, the most important part is you need to have the fully understanding of what they want to teach you. Okay.
Hmm.
We want you to do this just because we want you to go through the language once, at least knowing the basic parts. Okay.
Okay.
What's the purpose of this for?
I think it's to find like the maximum value.
Okay, yeah.
Yes. But is it 8 though?
Yeah, you check.
Right.
This one you drag and move around to reorder it. Okay, good job. We continue, okay? Next one, let me have Jiang, your turn. Jiang, are you okay so far?
Oh yeah.
Mm. Wrong.
Oh. Oh yeah, I took this.
I'm not sure what you are doing right now, so. This one, you actually want to put a 0 in front, so let's assume that you have 1, 0, 0, 1. So what you would do is like you declare a new array that is 0, 0, 0, you declare a new one, and then you move you count the number of zeros, and then you keep those the number of zeros and move anything that's non-zero after it. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, that's my hint. Slow down, okay? Right now you're printing, look like you rush yourself to coding. You must make sure you do see the answer before you do coding. Otherwise, you will waste your time. Don't try to do coding to test out the program. That doesn't work. That doesn't work. Or you may misread the problem again. That is even a bigger problem. You try not to misread the problem as well.
Okay.
Mhm.
Should we run it twice, the for loop?
Hmm?
Should we run the for loop twice?
What do you, how, your own judgment, is that needed or no? I think run the loop twice is easier solution. One pass is difficult, okay?
Okay.
Don't use N. N is wrong.
It is wrong.
N don't, okay, you want to use N, that's fine. It should be N plus plus.
Wait, what do you mean by that?
N plus plus.
This?
Right here, the one that you're typing right now is N plus plus.
Here?
Yeah?
Wait, let me think.
Array N plus plus equals nums I. Actually, wait. Why are you comparing the array I not equal 0? Is nums I not equal 0?
Because I was thinking of like if there's an array like this,
This is an
then
original array. This is original. This is also original. All these are nums I. These are nums I.
Oh, oh,
You're checking your original array, right? You didn't change it. Here also nums I, nums the length.
this doesn't matter though, right?
It doesn't matter, but you don't want to mess up.
Let me think.
That's correct.
Oh, no, like, I'm trying to think why it is like this. So,
Mm. The n is number of zero before, so n
oh,
is right here. You start to put the thing here and move on.
oh
So
yeah, oh,
n
I get
plus plus is okay.
it.
Okay.
Yeah,
At this moment, your idea of about the indexing still not perfect. Okay. That's why you still struggle a lot of things on the indexing. Slow down, draw diagram, making sure you understand which one are you operating on. Okay.
okay.
You kind of mixing the data right now. So that's why you actually using AR. And that's actually you use the new array. That's wrong. You have to really understand new one or old one. Okay. Next one, let me have Harrison. Harrison, your turn.
I did this one.
Okay, next one. Counting high is easy. Next one. Okay, good job. Next one, let me have Tiger. Tiger, your turn. Okay, you continue. Okay, good job. Next one, go back to Zhang. Zhao, your turn. One moment. This is not a good answer. This one is not a good answer because you actually, this one is a order of n square algorithm because you have the for loop inside there's a second for loop. So what you did is actually you do check in this 0 and then you try to find the maximum here to replace it. So this one actually is not efficient. So what we would like to do is you do have this array, you go backward. You go backward, remember the maximum odd number. And then once there is a 0, you replace it. If you face a bigger odd number, you change the odd number to the bigger one. And then you face a 0, you change it. So that actually one pass, you will solve the problem. So for doing that, you actually need to have the integer maximum. Let's assume that initially is equal 0. Okay, and then for integer I equal 0, I less than actually nums, I'm sorry, I equals nums dot length minus 1, I greater equal 0, I increase, I'm sorry, I decrease. You go backward. You go backward. Okay, so if nums I equal 0, then nums I equals maximum value. If nums I is R, so modular 2 equals 1, and nums I greater than max. then your next will be equal to nums I. And doing that, finish that, you will return the nums array. That's it. Missing curly brace. Let me check. Okay, your window is very small. Sometimes I type the wrong thing. I equals num length minus 1. I greater equal 0. I decrease. If nums are equal 0, here I'm missing the nums. Nums I equals max. And then there's
Here.
where?
There. You used this.
Oh, sorry, sometimes I just type it wrong.
Mm.
See my point?
Yeah.
This one's one pass. One pass, one level. You just go this way. Yours is two level. You actually go this one, you will check the whole thing. Go this one, you check the whole thing. That actually is slower. Okay. This one, let me have Harrison. Harrison, your turn.
I did this one.
Next one, very easy. Okay. Next one, let me have Tiger. Tiger, your turn. Okay, you continue, okay? This one, let me have Jiang, your turn. Are you okay so far? This one? I think it's the n minus star, it's not star minus n. Star is smaller. Okay. This one, Harrison, your turn.
I did this one.
Okay, this one.
Wait, Dr. Shaw.
Yes?
Where do I have to go next?
Where are you right now?
Alright, so I'm done with it.
Wait for me, okay?
Wait, I don't get it. Why isn't this one checked?
I don't know. You have a y return true. Your I equal st at the length minus 1. Your I greater equal 0. You actually y your I greater than 0. I greater equal 0.
Okay.
Next one, let me have Tiger. Tiger, your turn. There's no return type. What are you to returning string?
Oh,
Okay, you continue, okay? We have 2 more minutes, probably almost done, okay? Next one, let me have Jiang, last turn for everyone.
Should I do string 3?
No, you finish the level 2. Next one, you should go to AP1. AP1 is AP exam number 1. Level 3 will be more difficult, so no, try AP1 first.
Okay.
Okay? After you finish your AP1, you try recursion 1 and recursion 2. Then you move on to level 3. Finish the level 1, 2 first. Okay. Next one, let me have Harrison. Harrison, your turn.
Like go or?
Hmm?
Do I go
Question?
or
Go what?
never mind. Never mind.
Wait, I finished the solo learn like thing. What do I do after?
Did you get the certificate?
Yeah.
Download it.
Okay.
Then
As in,
next time we'll start coding back. Next time.
okay.
Today we are already out of time. You can be dismissed.
Okay, bye.
Bye. One moment. This one, you kind of too complicated.
Can I go?
Yes,
Okay.
Okay, good night. Bye bye.